Hello everyone, I am Sidhu. I am having 7 years of experience in the software development. This course is provided by Micro1. If you don't know Micro1 yet, Micro1 helps companies hire the best remote software developers easily. The first 1 week of your hire is 100% free. No questions asked. If you want to learn more, go back and check micro1.ai. In this session, we are going to develop a Node.js 2D API with ChatGPT. Let's go. So this is actually a ChatGPT session. Already I mentioned earlier that chartgpt.openai.com/chart can give you this page. Now I'm going to shoot my question here. Generate code to create Node.js ABS for to-dos. Let's see what it generates. It's actually loading, thinking what it should generate. It's taking some time. It's actually giving a simple application for to-do. It started importing Express body parser to get the body from the postman if you are making a request. Express it imported, created a to-do model, and it started giving to-dos. It's actually using the body parser and started writing app.get, app.post. Actually, we have to wait till the code has to complete. Then we have to copy paste the code inside VS Code and we should test it, whether it's working or not. It started creating posts as well. And in the post, it's adding to the to-do, and now it starts writing to update a to-do, but I think it got frozen. It started writing again. I think it's little slower because of the load. Tremendous load on ChatGPT. It's still writing, deleting it. It started writing for getting it, updating it, posting, updating a to-do and deleting a to-do as well. And started writing to start the server as well. Actually, it started giving the Node.js complete code, but it hasn't given how to initialize a Node.js project. So now we are going to ask that. I shooted down a question, how to initialize it. Let's see. It's taking little time today because of load, I feel. So it's saying that you should do npm init, so that command will generate package.json. From then you have to create a file name called app.js and copy the above code. That's what I feel it will give you. Let's see. We only follow what ChatGPT gives and we copy paste the same stuff in the VS Code, and we'll see whether its routing was properly or not. Okay, it has given few steps. Let's follow that. First, it's asking you to run the npm init. Now let's merge this with VS Code. Let's separate this out. Let's merge these two for easiness. Okay, I'm in the to-do folder. I'm running npm init. Yes. So it has created the to-do project for us. Okay, it has created it. And then it's saying after you entered the information, the package.json will be created in the project. Once you have created the package.json, you should start installing npm install. So above, what we need one express, we need body parser, right? We can say npm install express. So express is getting installed right now. It's a framework of node.js. Now I need to install body parser. I think it's also being installed. Now these two should be part of package.json. Yeah, as the dependencies. Good. Now let's scroll down. After that, it's saying, yeah, we should create a file name, touch app.server.js. Now it's created a file, server.js, right? Now, actually, we can copy the above code, paste it here, right? So basically, it's running on 3000. I will change this to maybe 9999. Okay, and I can run node.js node space server.js. So now the server has started. We copied the same code what it has given, right? Now let's open the Postman, or in the browser also we can see localhost : this is what it is saying, right? So cannot get it because we have to give slash todos. The get is slash todos, right? Fantastic. Now you can see it. We'll see whether we'll add a new task to this using the Postman. We'll see whether it's creating or not. We'll open the Postman first. Okay, I opened the Postman. I'm going to chart. I've created this earlier. So now I'm going to send it. Yeah, it's sending it, right? Now I'm going to the post statements. Okay. This is the URL. I'm going to the body. So now I want to add one more task like walking the dog. The status is false, right? So I'm going to write it status is false. I'm going to remove the completed statement. Okay, now I'm clicking on the send. Once I click on the send, it added saying the number 1, number 4. Now I can go to the get statement and I can run this. So now you can see the 4 statements has been added, right? So the same way, like let's now test the delete. Okay, I want to delete the first one. I want to delete this. Okay, let's see that works or not. I'm going to create a new request. So it's actually a delete request, right? So I'm clicking on delete, and then I can copy the URL, paste it here. The URL should be todo/id, right? I can give 1. Okay, what else it's expecting? Okay, that's all. Let's run this. I'm going to send it. It's saying that it got deleted. Now how to confirm this? Go back to get and run this again. So now you can see only there are 3 tasks because you deleted the first one. Well, most of the things are working now. So let's do one thing. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write comments on each and every line. Can you write comments and give the code? So now we are asking the ChatGPT to write the comments. Let's see how it returns the code. Today is a little slower, ChatGPT, but let's see how it works. I think it's because of load. Now you can see that it started writing comments. To-do model, to-do list. Okay. But the one painful point is you have to wait till the complete code typing is over. That's the only thing. You can't copy in the middle. It started writing the comments also. Let's see whether these find the to do by ID is there or not earlier in the get by ID. Now you can see it's not there. It's added in the new one, right? Good. Actually, in the next step, we can ask the code to generate. Actually, I'll stop generating because we understand it's generating with the comments, right? So actually, now I can say I would like to do, instead of can you make this code asynchronous? Can you use async await and generate code? Async await are like ES6 functions in JavaScript. So I'm asking the ChatGPT to, can you write async await and generate this? Let's see how it whether it gives you whether how it responds. Actually, sure, it's saying that we can give it, we can use it. Async await. It started writing again. Let's see how it writes. When you're building something from scratch, it is pretty useful. Even when you already built something, and if you want to clear the errors also, you can copy paste the stuff, and you can ChatGPT can clear you the errors, most of them. So it started using await statements as well. You can see it wrapped inside this async, and it started calling this await. ChatGPT is fantastic. I'm not get away from it. It started writing a lot of code. So now this is how you should utilize the ChatGPT and generate the APIs. Now already it has given the code. In the right hand side, you can see it started creating async await. I think that's all we wanted to learn in this session. You can utilize the ChatGPT, and that can give you the best code. And you can keep on asking for suggestions. It keep on giving you the good suggestions. That's all from this session. Thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.